Great Scott!
The East Face Lorry.
What do you reckon, Andrew?
So
13B, 20B?
20B. Supercharged 20B.
With exhaust pipe sticking out right here. Sticking out.
So a pretty random car to see in the garage. First time I've seen one of these in person. I know they flopped as a company, but really cool. Like a brushed metal finish. Pretty weird. But then again, it's not the weirdest car in the garage. Speaking of the weirdest car in the garage, she's been moved to where Jaysen's FD was. Sitting pretty there. As pretty as a sex spec show car can sit, of course. Still haven't quite figured out what we're going to do with this one. Convertible is not off the table. It's probably the most practical change we can make to the car to get it drivable for everyone, while still keeping that kind of unique early mid-2000s sex spec build kind of going. So I don't think we want to be too drastic with the changes. Ready, and action!
Man, look at that sunset, man. The sky's pink.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, eh? Should get more and more of those nights as we head towards summer.
Looking forward to summer, definitely. Yeah.
Still f***ing cold out there though.
Yeah. As soon as you got to get out of the wind chill.
Jaysen's dad's looking at buying this bad boy. So 300 kilowatt 2-door Monaro. I don't think it was 300 kilowatts from the factory though. I think it's had a bit of work done to it. Pretty cool though, and this will be one of the cars that's worth quite a bit of money in the 10-20 years. Alright, so we've got our food from Amy's burger business there. Grill and grind. Alright, Shane, you gonna dish out the burgers?
What's on yours, Jim?
Well, at least it matches my chips and my burger.
So now it should be okay when I send Amy dick pics?
Boobies for Jace.
Jason got some
I'm okay with that.
Also big eyes, I don't know.
Andrew's is last, I hope.
Corey's only got little boobies.
Oh, I'll take it.
It's also on the bottom too. Sanja's is a little bit cold out.
Oh my god, she spelled my name right. No one spells my name right. Well, you're my son, I expect you to spell my name right, but...
I think this must be yours, Andrew.
You can't spell my name right. You got it spot on, man.
Oh, fucking Jesus.
Fucking
hell.
Man.
God. Amy, you're the shit.
Love is love. Love is love.
Hey, so welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, we've all been pretty busy. I haven't spoken to the camera for so long, I've forgotten how to do it. Hey, so welcome back to another video. Apologies, it's been a while. Hey, shut up. Get back to your work.
We actually renamed him today for it. His name's Koro.
You've been watching too much Mayhem, man.
Yeah. No, it didn't come out like that though. He's helping his younger brother, and I was like, let Koro get in there and sort it out.
Good old Kiwi culture.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've kind of intentionally had a bit of a break with winter, cold weather and all that. Jaysen went over to the States for a while. Wait.
Play it out.
Yeah, it's school holidays at the moment, so we've got the little kids with us. Well, not so little anymore. There's been a bit of progress with the FC. Porting begun today. Have all the parts. The rotating assembly is currently being balanced. Porting's pretty much done. So as you can see, it's a street port in the end. Didn't go for the full bridge. Going to keep it reliable and soft because Sam wants to use the engine. What the?
Straight cut gearbox.
We picked up a new daily. Otherwise, it's pretty much business as usual. We've got the two frames all finished off by Jaysen and his dad. So you can get 5 cars in this small little space, which is pretty handy. Haven't done any work to the 7 obviously, we've just pulled it in. Still trying to figure out what we're going to do to it, but we've all got our own projects to worry about first, so It'll just sit here for a while as a bit of a shed ornament. Oh, see you, Blair.
See you, Blair.
Hiking early like usual.
Don't fall asleep on the way home, bro.
No, I'm going to stop off at anything.
It's raining! Did you put any more CRC on it?
Oh, there's so much. So Jason's got a bit too much slop in his spring department. I guess you could call it that. So you're just doing a bit of preload on the preload on the springs. They are just a street level coilover, but a pretty decent one, so they should be a bit firmer than they are. And of course, you don't want guard rub on a fiberglass kit. So it's going to try to firm that up and be able to lower the car a bit more. With no Andrew, Shane's on spanner spinning duties.
Because I'm broken. Remember how I had to do it to yours and that sucked too?
Oh yeah, that's a pretty cool pic. Wonder who took that. You like that picture, kids? This is a pretty big pic. Huge canvas print. That's my hand. Yeah. So she's a big one.
Should we take it out, Jace? Awesome.
Over the last 4 days and 4 nights, my daughter Mickey had insisted that I bring this to Garage Nights to show everybody. This is a Lego Friends RX wagon.
RX wagon.
RX wagon, Rotary, and she was inspired from the 6-pack show car with the chopped roof. So what we can do here is what she was trying to show. She said, make sure you show the guys this. You can take the roof off, hook it up at the back, right, and now it goes from a full open top to a drag spoiler.
Mean, she's got it sorted.
Great idea. We'll have to do that.
That's a great job, isn't it?
It's good effort.
Yeah, look at that.
Lego kit set will be available on the merch store.
In America.
RX wagon, Lego Friends.
That'll be the garage race.
Bits on it.
I'll buy a bunch of Lego off Wish and we'll sell it off, eh? We'll build them up and...
Paint it black and white.
Yeah, exactly.
Always win races because of the horseshoe in the front and the love
Oh,
heart.
the horseshoe. Lucky horseshoe and I love it. I love it.
It's almost ready to come out if you want to take it.
Oh, you silly top hat. Place.
Controversy. Your car used to be red.
Did it?
Oh, true.
The only spot they probably didn't paint.
Yeah, it's painted everywhere. It's actually amazing.
Alright, there was too much of a bitch of a job in the car, so out she comes. You can see there where it used to be green. Sorry, Jace.
I need a
Well, we found another problem.
top of the thread.
Oh, jeez. Right, that's not good.
Okay. And there's thread in there.
It's not supposed to be
So
like
when
that.
it stop,
Is
there.
it?
Those ones
That's the top.
Oh, things are escalating. It's in the vice. Just being a real...
What have you done to my suspension, man?
I made that one nice and tight by hand. Oh, no, that wasn't it.
Fucking need to here.
This one wasn't too bad to do up. This only took a bit of a normal push. I was like, oh, it's a little bit loose. You'd think it'd go smoother, but
Well, it's because it's got no CLC on it though.
wow, a ton of it from
If it
here.
had a bit of grease on it, it'd be right. It's actually got some decent stuff I might put back on it when we put it back together.
Copper coated
No,
type
it's,
thing.
yeah, well, sort of like...
So it's just off the end. I might have turned it, I reckon I turned that one a whole half turn,
Yeah.
and that might have pushed it off, but
Yeah.
it could have already been off too, because I could not get the height to change between there and there.
Yeah.
Most of the boys have gone home, so I think I'll leave it there for tonight, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bathurst prep day, getting tables and chairs ready for everybody.
Oh, mate, that was extreme.
Jeez. Moving a big RCV table inside.
Brings back memories of going out on the motorbike.
Ah, my finger! My finger! My finger! Guys, my finger! Okay, the other. Guys, don't even stop for me. Don't put your finger in the wrong arm.
Guys need to work out more.
Screaming Jets.
Right, shed's all ready for Bathurst. Got the snacks, got the crew,
Would have come in my factory.
got the barbecue.
Oh mate, we should have said Tuddy around to get it for us.
Chief barbecue inspector.
They call me Mr. Cheese Crepes.
Ready, boys?
Let's go!
Traction
The
limit.
drama already.
Tim was around the outside. That car's, of Scott's car slid, and then it got the front of Tim's car. Probably.
Just checking to see when Blair's car's due for a warrant, because it's been a while since it's been out. Bit dusty up here, Blair.
Yeah, I just think it'd be good to get a warrant before we pull it apart.
Oh, so what's the plan? You're gonna, before a reunion, you're going to take the engine out?
Well, it's got to come out and get painted.
Oh, before reunion.
Yeah, well, it's meant to be, but it depends on Jason's diary.
Yeah. Well, he's got his RX2 to do as well, eh?
Yeah.
And RX2 sitting, waiting. Jace does want to take this to reunion in what, 4 or 5 months. So has a crap ton to go, obviously. So needless to say, you should see some progress videos coming out on this pretty soon. There's a donor shell for the R30 Skyline. Wrecked Audi. Seats are going to come out if they fit, and they'll go into the 2. As long as they fit. They do look quite wide, eh? But it'd be awesome if they do. We'll see.
Look at that bug up there.
This is Andrew's latest addition to the car family. It's Amy's.
Amy's project.
Amy's project. So
It's Grill and Grind's house.
Awesome. It's pretty big, eh?
Yeah, it's good.
nice big windows, mate.
Yeah, I think we're going to take the back one out anyway. Because it's going to be like cupboards and shit there pretty much for bedroom.
Oh, so you're just
Because
going to
this is for
fill
the
that
bed.
up?
I can't take this out. I was hoping I could take that and drop it down.
Yeah.
But there's a whole bunch of engine stuff.
Yeah. You kind of need that bit there.
Yeah.
Need a bucket seat up front.
Yeah.
Fire it up.
No, I need fuel.
Oh. But we've been firing up too often.
Need the fuel. With the air filter. I forgot those like that.
Where's the rest of it?
This thing.
It's been a while, but I think Andrew's going to get the car going.
Flames come.
It won't get to that stage today.
No.
I'm not sitting there putting too much gas in it.
Nah.
Battery's flat now. So Paul's trade has been revealed. You're not a plumber after all.
Definitely not a plumber.
How's it feel, Sanj?
Oh, it feels great. This is great.
Alright, might leave it there for this video. Cheers for tuning in. Hopefully there'll be some RX2 progress videos for you soon. See you.